Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a VW Passat headlight bulb. First, ensure your car is off and the engine is cool to prevent burns. You'll need a new H7 bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly, usually behind the headlight unit itself. Now, gently remove the protective rubber or plastic cover from the back of the headlight unit. This cover helps keep moisture out. Next, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb holder. Carefully disconnect this connector by pressing any release tabs and pulling it straight off, ensuring not to damage the wires. With the connector removed, detach the bulb holder by turning it about 30 degrees counterclockwise. Gently pull the holder out of the headlight assembly. Now, remove the old H7 bulb from the holder. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base. Never touch the glass, as oils from your skin can cause premature failure. Carefully insert the bulb holder with the new H7 bulb back into the headlight assembly, ensuring it's seated correctly. Secure it by turning it clockwise about 30 degrees until it locks into place. Reconnect the electrical connector and replace the rear cover. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb works. And speaking of fresh starts, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.